Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to transfer your membership between accounts on Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your WAP account. Then, click on your profile icon. You'll find it in the top right corner of the screen. After that, go ahead and look at the left-hand side of your screen and scroll down until you see the membership section. Just left-click on it. Here you'll see a list of all your memberships organized into tabs like active, lifetime, awaiting approval, and inactive. Right now, you can see I don't have any memberships under the active tab, but if you do, this is where they'll show up. If you want to transfer one, just find the membership you're interested in and click the three dots on the right side of it. A small menu will pop up, and from there, you'll see the transfer button. Click that, and then you can easily send your membership to a different W account. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and set up the Branch Loan app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.